How to remove background music in CapCut. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into this channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can remove background music in CapCut. Well, to remove background music in CapCut, you can use the separate audio feature. So open up CapCut and upload the video here on CapCut. So I tap on new video here option and create the project that you wish to add this sound with. So I'll just add this. Now it has a music definitely, but what you can do is, in order to separate the music first, you can tap on the video there on the tab down below on the timeline, and then here on the list of options you want to swipe, and here you should get the option to separate the audio from video. So you can see extract audio option. However, this is a premium feature, the CapCut Pro feature, so you'll need to pay for it. So if you tap on extract audio, it'll extract the audio from the video, and then you can simply isolate voice option. You can use the isolate voice option to remove the background noise, or to completely remove the voice. You can simply mute clip. So you can see mute option here on the left hand side. You can simply click on mute here option. So this is how you can remove background music in CapCut. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.